Good afternoon guys. Today I am back with another video. In fact, I was having a trouble with my headlight switch of my Ford Fiesta, which I have procured just few days back. In fact, I visited the service center and this is the particular headlight switch that was malfunctioning. In fact, this is the fog light indicator and it was always on while I started the car. Not only that, even if I don't operate this side light position, all the side lights used to get on just after I started my car, and it used to remain on even if it is in off position. So I visited the service center and they said this switch is faulty and you need to replace it immediately, as a faulty switch like this may affect the BCM module, that is the body control module, that is an electronic unit found especially in this European and cars, especially in VW or in Ford. Also newer cars are also having BCM module, so it may affect the BCM and will be set back by 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. So first replace it, but the service center was not having this particular switch, so I was suggested to visit Mullick Bazaar if I could find one. So I got this one after a thorough search, because it's difficult to get this switch. This particular switch a little bit different without the fog light function actually, but this will serve my purpose, as I am not going to install any fog light in this car at this moment, and if I even install it, I will give a direct connection bypassing the BCM, so that won't be an issue. So I purchased this particular switch for 1200 rupees. The new one is around 3500 rupees listed in Ford, but I purchased it from there and it's working fine, and it is a tedious process to install it. In European Fiesta you can simply just bring it out, just it is a press type lock, but in Indian Ford you need to open all this and then reinstall it. So I will show you the process how to install it. So finally it has been footed and it's working fine. I will suggest others to visit Mullick Bazaar if they require parts like this for their car, and easily they can repair it at a nominal cost, and for the fitting charges it was around 250 rupees. So that's it, and if you have liked this video and if you find the video interesting, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.